first I took Smashbox's Photo Finish Primer, eyeshadow primer, and I applied that on my eyelid, and then I applied MAC's Paint Pot and Artifact, and I did this because I wanted more of a darker look, but then I got kind of worried, like I didn't want it too dark, so I just put it very lightly, and it ended up being, the shadow didn't end up being that dark. So I took the Desert Dusk palette and I applied that into my crease with the Sigma E38 blending brush, and then I took another Huda Beauty palette and I took the matte burgundy shade, which I thought was going to be a lot darker than it actually was. It's a really pretty color. I just thought it was going to be a lot darker. And I took that with this Sigma E25 blending brush, and I first applied it into my crease and then blended it out upward, and then I just filled in my lid. I kind of just packed that on my eyelid, and then I took one of my favorite eyeliners, and it's Sigma's Line Ace Legend liner or something like that. It's just the black one. I really like this because I really love the brush tip, and it's super black and it's super matte. I'm going to first prime my face with the new Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. For foundation, I'm going to try this Rimmel Lasting Finish 24-Hour Buildable Longwear Foundation. Oh, I didn't expect it to be like that. And I am in the color 102 Light Nude. I actually like this. Not very sanitary, but I'm just using it on myself, so that's not too bad. Coverage is pretty good. Concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the color Light Neutral. I'm going to cover this little guy right here. And I'm setting that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just going to set the rest of my face kind of in my T-zone real quick, very lightly with that same powder. I'm going to bronze my face really lightly with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 10M. I don't know if anybody knows or not, but I tried to self tan my body, and there's a little spot right here that will not, every single time I try to do it, it won't get darker. It's just this little spot right here. I have no idea why. If anybody knows why, please let me know. I'm gonna do it very lightly. I'm not doing anything too dramatic. I'm gonna contour my nose, but I'm gonna use the Hoola Light Bronzer. Before I finish my face, I'm going to go back and finish my eyes real quick. I'm going to take this pink shimmery color right here and add that to the inner corner of the eye. I actually wanted or expected this look to be this color right here, the one that I put on my lid. I kind of thought it was going to be a little bit darker. So I thought this look was going to be a little bit darker than what it is, but first I'm going to use this Jouer Slim Cream Eyeliner in Matte Nude for my waterline. What do I have on here? And then I'm going to use the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, which I used it on my top lashes, and wow, it's really good. For blush, I think I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Pink Me Up blush. Very lightly. Okay, so I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna go with Strike a Rose. Again, very lightly, like I'm just tapping it in. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Beauty Beam Highlight Palette, and I'm gonna use this color, center color right here. But first I'm gonna spray my face with this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I don't want something too dramatic for highlight. I just want like really, yeah, that's perfect. I just want something really light. I don't want something too dramatic. Ink, I'm gonna spray my face with this Cover FX Luminous Setting Spray. For liner, I'm going to use, what am I going to use? Makeup Forever number 42 lip liner. Then I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Famous lipstick. After I applied the lipstick, I cleaned it up with the Sigma L06 brush. If you don't have this brush, it is amazing for making the lines around your lips super sharp.